In this video, I'll show you how to upload large videos to Google Drive without compression or quality loss. First, open your browser and go to drive.google.com. Sign in to your Google account. Now click on New, then click File Upload. Select your video file and click Open. Google Drive will upload the file in its original quality without compressing it. Make sure you are uploading directly to Google Drive, not Google Photos, because Google Photos may compress videos. Before uploading, check that you have enough storage space in your Google account. If the video is very large, use a stable and fast Wi-Fi connection to avoid upload errors. For better and more reliable uploads, you can install Google Drive for desktop. With the desktop app, you can simply drag and drop your video into the Drive folder on your computer, and it will sync automatically. If the upload gets stuck in the browser, try using an incognito window. And that's it. That's how you upload large videos to Google Drive without losing quality.